Namaskar. Hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one item from my collection. So let's start. The item which you see on your screen is a British India coin. It is a 20th century bronze coin which was struck in the year 1910, the year in which Bastar rebellion took place, and also the year in which Indian Museum Act came into force. As you can see, the denomination of this coin is half pice. The year is 1910. The year, the name of the country, and the denomination, all of them are mentioned within a circle of beads, which in turn is surrounded by a wreath. At the back of this coin, there is a bust of King Edward VII facing right. He was the eldest son of Queen Victoria and also the ruler under which this coin was minted. Along with the bust, you can see the lettering Edward VII, King and Emperor. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it.